My Label's LED finger flashlight gloves may come in handy when you need a flashlight in the dark, but need to use both hands for the task, such as working with cables or cars, or even for fishing. Each glove contains 2 LED lights, which allow you to point at whatever you are working on at the moment. It is made out of cotton, which is breathable and stretchy, and it contains a Velcro to easily adjust the glove to your wrist, allowing it to fit most hand sizes. It is easy to use since there is an on-off switch and you don't require to hold a flashlight. The product already includes a screwdriver and a battery that lasts for 30 hours and can be replaced. My Label's LED finger flashlight gloves may come in handy when you need a flashlight in the dark, but need to use both hands for the task, such as working with cables or cars, or even for fishing. Each glove contains 2 LED lights, which allow you to point at whatever you are working on at the moment. It is made out of cotton, which is breathable and stretchy, and it contains a Velcro to easily adjust the glove to your wrist, allowing it to fit most hand sizes. It is easy to use since there is an on-off switch and you don't require to hold a flashlight. The product already includes a screwdriver and a battery that lasts for 30 hours and can be replaced.
Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have a 10,000 milliamp power bank here, and this one actually is a solar power bank. So yes, you can charge this via the sun. I'll go ahead and give you the pros and cons on this 10,000 milliamp battery pack here, okay? So first of all, I mean, obviously we have a flashlight here. It's a dual flashlight. This light is actually pretty bright as well. It's kind of like having a real flashlight. Let me go ahead and turn that off. It's nothing compared to a LED flashlight on the back of your phone. Okay, this one here is much brighter. And if we take a look here, okay, so this is basically, you can wirelessly charge your device using this as well. And if I look on front right here, this is where you would want to put this in direct sunlight. Now, my only con about this power bank is it literally takes forever for it to charge. Okay, so basically I had this out in the sun, directly in the sunlight for 10 hours the other day, and it went up only 1 bar. If I want to see how much juice this power bank has, I just tap on the power button right here. Just tap it once, and I can see it has 4 blue LED lights on here, so that I know that I have between 75 to 100% juice on this. When this is actually in the sunlight and it starts charging, I'll know because you'll have like a green bright light that comes on right up here. Now, another cool thing too with this one too, if I pop this open here, now if we look at the ports here, we have 3 ports here, okay? We have a micro USB, a USB, and a USB Type-C. Now, if you wanted to charge this, there's basically 3 ways you can charge it. You can charge it via the micro USB, and they supply you with a cable with that to charge it. Or if you have a USB Type-C charger, you can charge this as well. Or the other way, obviously, is the sunlight. And this is splash proof, it is dust proof, shock proof, and you can see the rubber padding here, like on the sides here. And they do come, it comes with a compass as well. You can go ahead, basically attach this to here, and then you can attach this end to your book bag if you're going camping. This way you can sit directly in the sunlight and start getting charged as you're hiking. To turn the flashlight on, you simply hold the power button for down 5 seconds. Okay, so I'll hold it down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there you go. If you want to turn it off, you press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds, there you go. And you can charge several devices at the same time as well. This does charge my phones up pretty fast. And let me go ahead and give you a quick demonstration here, okay? Let me go ahead and let's wirelessly charge some phones here. So let me go ahead and pop this on here, and let me turn it over here. So we know it's on. I have this green light here. Now the thing is, when I put a device on here that can charge wirelessly, it'll start blinking, okay? So right now, this right here is an iPhone 8, by the way. This has a out-of-box case. This is dual layers. It has a silicone layer, and on top of this is a plastic cover, so it's an extra thick case. And surprisingly, it wirelessly charges no problem. Let me pull this off, and let's try another phone with a case on it. Here's a iPhone XS Max with a case on it. I'll just pop that on there. We can see that it is charging. How about a Google Pixel 3 here with a case on it? Just pop that on there. We can see it charging. Let me go ahead and pull this off, and let me go ahead and put it sideways. I'll put it sideways like that. You can see it charging no problem. How about a bigger phone here? How about a Samsung Galaxy Note 8 here? Simply just pop that on top, and we can see it charging there. Let me pull this off, and let me put it like in a different direction here. And we can see it charging right there as well. Let me go ahead and charge 2 devices at once. I'll go ahead and charge one device using the cable here, and I'll charge another device with the wireless. Let me go ahead and charge my iPhone XS Max here. So let me go ahead and plug this one in right there. Let me make sure that this is on. So let me go ahead and turn this on. And we can see my iPhone XS Max is charging. And let's go ahead and charge this Galaxy Note 8 as well. So let's pop that on there. And we can see that is charging. And we can see the lightning bolt on my iPhone XS Max is charging simultaneously. Well, there you guys go for a quick review. Like I said, I mean, this does power up my phones like pretty fast. The only thing is with the solar power, I mean, you have to have it in direct sunlight for a long time. Like I said, I only got 1 bar leaving it in the sun for 10 hours. So 1 bar is basically only like 2,500 milliamps. And it comes in 3 colors here. You get like a light blue, orange, and a red. And you can see what all of these here look like. So yeah, overall, I'm definitely happy with this. I like it. Flashlight, hold down for 5 seconds on the power button there. Pretty nice. Anyways, there you guys go. I'll see you guys in the next one.